Here it is. The car's still smoking. Well, I don't know what you mean still smoking. It just, I left it running. I can't drive it on the street because it's not legal. So that's pretty much what's going on here. It's just me running the car because I don't want the engine to die. And I think it's actually charging. Just got some smoke. I don't know. It's coming from, it might be an exhaust leak, but then it's not idling very smooth. So I don't know. See, this is not even properly connected, and that's why it broke. So no, I think I'm about to give up on cars anyways. Yeah. Yeah, I got too much going. That's why I'm probably going to get rid of one of them. So, yeah, I know, right? Just, that's all it is. All I need is one. I can't drive all of them at the same time.
So I've got to go do some things. Do you want anything anywhere?
No, I'm okay. I'm probably going to actually do some of the hedge cutting.
Okay.
So,
I decided as long as it's not pouring rain, I'm going to continue to park here.
yeah.
Except for paying parking over there anyway.
Yeah, why not? I
But
mean,
it's just that when it was really heavy, it was a bit.
Of
So
course.
It was up to my ankles in water.
yeah.
And a little further.
So anyways, yeah, I got interrupted in my video, but I'm gonna post it anyways because I can't really edit anything that I put online because I don't have a good computer, so I have to do all the editing on my telephone, and I can't get a good editing program. So, but anyways, that's the smoke's coming from there. So, but yeah, anyways, like I was saying, oh man, is this attached good now? Oh no, it's not. That would be ironic, because that's what happens when the hood's not attached right and not latched. But anyways, is that the proper way to remove a window? Shoot. I think I'm wrong about that. Oh well. I got a good vacuum, so. At least I'm getting my money's worth from buying a frickin' car from Bright Safely without the instructions being properly posted. Gosh darn it. Am I damaging this car too much? Look at, it's coming off. Look at this. I think I figured out how to remove a window. Oh shoot, I got glass all over the inside. That's stupid. Oh man, the safety glass is safe. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Hope it's not gonna rain anytime soon, because this is gonna be terrible. Oh, I hope that wasn't important. Gosh darn it. Is that a sensor? Oh, it's the rain sensor. Oh my gosh. That really made me some trouble now. Oh my gosh. How about one more just for the road? Because this was kind of fun.